go. Go, 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 go! Oh no! Oh my God! No!
The masked bad guy stole the cow. Captain chased them.
Stop! Stop! Go, go, go! NANI?
Captain dropped the bomb on the thief's car and got the cow back.
Help! Help me! Help me! No! No!
Get out!
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Bathe them and bring them back to the barn.
Tickle!
Hungry cows and goats ask for carrots. Captain takes tools to plant carrots.
Okay.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Stop! Go! 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 Go!
Okay.
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 Go! 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 Go!
Carrots can be harvested and brought back.
Thank you very much.
First plow the field to sow the seeds, then harvest the bread to store.
Oof!
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's go.
Iron Man and Caption conspire to rob the wheelie.
Okay.
Okay. Go! Go, go, go!
Hurry up.
Go, go, go!
Yeah, boy.
Go! Stop! Oof! Okay. Hey!
Oh no, the bad guy pours water into a swamp.
Let's go.
Okay.
10 seconds later.
Easy! Oof! Yeah!
Hulk's car got bogged down. The Hulk turned into a giant and pulled the car out of the swamp and brought back the wheel.
Okay.